So welcome back to GFS.
It's always good to be here.
It's kind of mixed for me because there's this cloud that hangs over it, why we're here. But it feels good to be amongst these young people and to be on the campus again. So in that way, I think Chris would be happy that we are here.
He loved it here. He thrived here. When he came to sit in during his 8th grade year for possible 9th grade admission, he couldn't get over that students and teachers sat around a table and that you called your teachers by their first names, they're co-learners with us, that you wrote in every area of the curriculum. I think he wanted to be here more than anything.
I think he'd be looking down approvingly, if you believe that kind of thing.
I think our hope is that the students who listen to who participate in the series, as Chris did years ago, would have their curiosity opened up about what journalism is. I think that his love of learning and his passion for ideas would be a wonderful thing to come out of this for all the listeners. And we are really grateful for the opportunity.